Hey y'all, what's up? So I dropped a video on my favorite deep conditioners and y'all went crazy, so I think I'm gonna do another video, but this time on my favorite creams. So if you guys are ready, I'm gonna be talking about my top 10 favorite creams that you can be using on your natural hair. So I will definitely have the deep conditioners video tagged below so you can watch it at the end of this video. But let's go ahead and get into our luscious creams that we are going to be talking about today. If you are somebody starting your natural hair journey or already on your natural hair journey, you are going to love these suggestions that I have for you. They're a wide range from all different brands, so make sure you guys hang on to your seat and let's go ahead and jump in. Also, they're in no particular order. We are just grabbing and going today like we always do, friends. So let's go ahead and get started with number one. So the first one that I want to talk to you guys about is the Design Essentials. They dropped their African Shea collection, I believe, in the summer, and this braid and twist out strengthening cream, y'all, this product will give you everything that you need to restore the moisture in your hair. It also smells really good. It has like a shea butter smell to it. I like it because it also has like this oozing effect. I'm gonna actually show you guys how like oozy this product really is. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. It's very oozy. Like, do y'all see that? It's very oozy. I love oozy products. They just work really well. Oozy products or slimy products, they just in my hair, like, they work very, very well. So it just says to prep your hair with a leave-in and then apply the cream to damp hair and then go ahead and braid, twist, or finger style as desired. So you really only need this product to style your hair, and I really like it. So I definitely want to encourage you guys to go and check out the African Shea line from Design Essentials and grab their braid and twist out strengthening cream. You'll love it. Alright y'all, so the next product I want to talk to you guys about is that good old Miche. Now I do think that they changed their packaging, but I still have their old one. This is their curl defining cream. It's called Bounce. I love all Miche. If you guys have been following me for a while, I do like to use the Miche products. They're really good. I believe they're still like a startup or starting up company. I don't know how you would say that, like a starter company, but they're definitely gaining a lot of traction, especially with perfecting their formulas the way they did. They are pro natural hair. You guys will definitely love Miche if you've never tried them before. And I like using their curl defining cream. If you guys do wash and goes with like a cream and a gel, I think this will be perfect for that hairstyle. So if you guys have never tried Miche, I would hop on their curl defining cream and also check out some of their other natural hair products as well, because you will fall in love. Alright y'all, next one is a little teeny guy. Look how small he is. Say hi. This is Adwa Beauty. Now they obviously have bigger sizes, but this is just the one that they sent to me. This is their Baomint Moisturizing Curl Defining Cream for dry textured hair. Y'all, I also do love Adwa. I think it's Adwa Beauty. It just runs through your whole body. It smells so good. Their scents are amazing. Baomint, they have a lot of minty smells in there. So if you guys are in need of like that intense moisture, if your hair is really dry, I would recommend using this after you obviously wash and cleanse your hair and you're going into your styling process. Pick this up. I don't know if you're going to do some type of braid out, flat twist, even like a wash and go, but I like that this really does help restore the moisture in your hair, and it helps create longevity throughout the week. So if you are somebody who really can't get your curls to flourish past like day 3 and 4, it's probably because your hair is becoming dry and you need to use more moisturizing products. Pick up Adwa Beauty. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly, but y'all will love it. And I know I keep saying that about all of them, but they're equally amazing, and you just have to find what works for you in your hair regimen and hair type. And for me, is this product right here, baby. Alright y'all, I'm about to come at you with an OG, honey. An OG. I started my hair journey in 2014, and this brand, this particular product, was one of the first products that I picked up when I walked through the gates to join the natural hair journey. So I am talking about As I Am, the OG, honey. This is the Twist Defining Cream. I remember that they would have like this little travel size kit, and it had like all of their entire collection. This is their classic collection. It had the entire classic collection in like this mini kit, and I would buy it like every 2 weeks for probably like 6 months, y'all. Like, I loved AsAlwaysAleia. I love what it did to my hair until this day. Till this day, I am still using the AsAlwaysAleia products. Even their like new stuff they've been adding on, like their curl color gels. I have not tried a curl color gel that is better than AsAlwaysAleia. I am so serious when I say that. So yeah, you can just see the high standards that they create in the natural hair community are like untouchable. AsAlwaysAleia has definitely been there since the beginning. And this twist defining cream, it's for shiny smooth twists and twist outs. I think you guys would really enjoy it. Also flat twist as well. You can even probably do braids with this. Like, it's just that good, honey. So if you guys are looking for some extra moisture and you really want to support a OG business, then definitely smells good too. Then definitely try AsAlwaysAleia if you haven't already. Alright, y'all, this is a new kid on the block, but everybody knows her and loves her, and I am talking about the Melanin Hair Care. Melanin Hair Care has some really nice products, so I ain't gonna hold you, friend. I ain't even gonna hold you. So this is their Twist Elongating Styling Cream. If I'm not mistaken, wasn't this the first product that they released? I can't remember, but I think it was the Twist Elongating Styling Cream. Can I get an amen? Melanin Hair Care really took our time with this, formulating and manifesting this whole line. And I'm really proud of her. If you guys don't know Whitney White and Melanin Hair Care, she started on YouTube just like me, and now she's like this mega superstar who has her products in the US and also in Canada. My followers told me that she is in Ulta Beauty and Sephora, if I'm not mistaken. So that's really good. Good for her. She has excellent products. And the cream, like I said, this is the holy grail because this was the first product, if I'm not mistaken, that she launched with her line. So this is like, you go to this first, you know what I'm saying? So this is a really good product, and I like that you don't need a lot to like get the job done as well. So this actually has lasted me maybe 6 months now. I purchased this 6 months ago, so really good. And it says there's no sulfates, parabens, there's no mineral oil, formaldehydes, and phthalates, if I'm saying that correctly. So yeah, she did a good job with this as well. Y'all, I was so happy when this line reached out to me because they are all vegan, and you really don't get a ton of all vegan line. I think you're starting to see more of them as time prolongs, but like 2-3 years ago, I wasn't seeing a lot of all natural, all vegan hair care lines, and this is one of them. And I'm talking about Sky Organics. Whether you know it or not, their products are very clean. So if that's something that you're into, you're looking for sustainability, or how does a brand impact the environment, are they vegan, are they 100% natural, if that's something that you care about, then this brand is definitely for you. This is called the Bouncy Curl Cream by Sky Organics. They also did a very good job at formulating this product as well. Now, they did send me a few of their products, and I just ran through them because they were just that good. And then one time I was at Marshall's and I saw them on the shelf at a discounted rate. Y'all, when I tell you, I was just grabbing them because I know how good these products are, and I wish more people also knew as well. But you can definitely see on the back here, it says they're safe ingredients, they're green and growing, responsibility made, family owned. They are like certified organic ingredients are in here. Like they got it going on, honey. It says USDA certified bio-based product. It's a bio-based product. I don't know what that means, but yeah, Sky Organics is definitely your go-to if you really care about like sustainability and like the planet and all that other jazz. Like they take pride into making their products like the best like whole organic products that they can make. So you guys will also love Sky Organics. All right, let's go ahead and move on. Now this also is another OG, and I was actually surprised to know that they've been on the market for so long. I actually joined one of their lives one time, and they explained to me that they started in like the early 2000s, and I just did not know that, and I felt so bad. But I am talking about Curls. If you know, you know. Curls, yeah, I didn't know that they started when AsAlwaysAleia and Shea Moisture and all them started as well. They started in like the early 2000s, y'all. And this is their Twist and Shout cream. I really like this line. This is their Blueberry Bliss collection. I think it's one of the best smelling products on the market. Like, I love blueberry, and it has a strong blueberry scent. Like, so you can either twist, braid, lock, or set your hairstyle with this product, and you just want to allow it to fully dry before you take anything out. This child, if you know, you know. Curls has a lot of good collections, but I think that their top collection definitely is that blueberry line. Even that like blueberry gel edge control paste that they have, like, it's really good. And I only have like a few products that like really stand out on the shelf. So Curls is definitely a product that will stand out on the shelf. I think that you guys will really start to gravitate towards it as well. I know we're going over a ton of different creams, and hopefully you're not getting confused, but you just want to find what works for you and what resonates with you. So out of this whole 10 creams that I'm going to be showing you guys, maybe you can pick 2 or 3 to start with and just see how they react and respond to your hair, so you don't get overwhelmed. But I'm just giving you my top 10 because I've been in the game for 10 years, girl. I got a lot of creams over here that we need to talk about, honey, and this is another new kid on the block that I'm so excited to talk to you guys about. Now this, like, out of all the creams, I think you should pick this one up first. Out of all the creams that I am talking about today, I think you should pick this one up first, and that is Curl Days, y'all. Making my way downtown, walking that, like, it just makes me want to dance and smile. I love Curl Days. This is their Ultra Moisture Cream. Now this product is really good, but I will tell you it cannot stand alone. I always need to use this product in conjunction with its gel that's also from the same collection. The gel and the cream together is what makes my hairstyles pop. So I would start with the cream and then I would move on to the gel, and I just get like a phenomenal curl, and curls that also last all week long. When I use Curl Days, I always get my best results when it comes to my wash and goes. I think that you guys also would love Curl Days as well. She infuses her products with something called cocoa oil. Cocoa oil is actually found in Hawaii, and she went there, I believe, on her like vacation or her honeymoon or something, and she saw so many women with beautiful hair in Hawaii, and she was asking them, like, what are you putting in your hair? And they were telling them that they were using cocoa oil. It's native to the land that they were on, so that's what they were using to grow their hair. And now we got cocoa oil up in the line, y'all. So I just think that was a beautiful story about how she started and why she chose to pick cocoa oil as the main ingredient for this collection. She also just dropped a few new products as well, if you guys want to check them out. I think there's like a serum, an oil, and I think there's an edge control gel now or something like that. I don't know, but the cream is fire, but you definitely have to use it in conjunction with the gel to get a fire bomb hairstyle. Okay, I didn't know that I had 2 products from the same collection, or the same brand I should say, but oh well, this is also one of my favorites. We are back with the curls. This is their Curl Brulee whipped curl cream. If I told you last time that that other product smelled good, girl, I could drink this. Like, this is dangerous. I could drink this. Like, it's, oh my gosh, it's giving like culotta, it's giving smoothie, it's giving tropical, it's giving vibes. Like, I can't get over how good her products smell. Like, how did you do that? What did you do to do that? Like, it smells so good, and it has like certified organic sweet almond milk, also shea butter, and aloe vera leaf, which are all really good ingredients for you. So if you like products that you like, you really resonate with how something smells, and that's what like makes you gravitate towards that product, then I would definitely recommend trying this as well. All the Curls products to me are phenomenal, but like her Blueberry Bliss line and also the whipped curl cream, they really stand out on the shelf. They're fire products, and I also know that you will love this too. We are already on our last one, guys, and I really hope that you are enjoying me talking about some different creams that I've collected over the years. Again, my name is Aaliyah, and I have been natural since 2014. So if you're on your natural hair journey, make sure you're following me so I can give you my best tips on how to navigate through this space, because it can get crazy, friend. It's definitely a roller coaster. Alright, so let me go ahead and give you guys my last one. We gotta finish it off strong with the OG. If you know, you know. Like, Y'all, the main choice. Y'all, Tropica Moringa. This is what had the girl shook. The Tropica Moringa line, especially that pearly braid out glaze, don't get me started, but the Tropica Moringa line had the girlies shook. And this product right here in particular, yes, smells amazing. Works really good. You can apply it as a styler. If you want to refresh your hair, you can put a little bit of this on midweek as well. Like, I really go ham with this sealing cream, and this is their sweet oil and honey endless moisture sealing cream. Helps to support natural hair growth and retention. Like, it goes on, and that's also something I love about the Main Choice, is like, they don't just have like 1 or 2 words on the title. Like, they have the title, what it does for you, like the whole thing is filled up just of benefits of using this product, which I truly love. They always do a really good job on their labels and packaging, and just their products and their formula, like everything. Main Choice is that girl, honey. Like I said, she's that girl. And if you guys also are familiar with the owner as well, she not only owns the Main Choice, but she owns a ton of different other brands as well, and I think they're all under one roof or one entity, if I'm not mistaken. So if you guys need like business help and business analytics, she's definitely somebody to follow. She goes live pretty often, and her name is Courtney Andale, and she's the owner of Main Choice and also many other brands as well. So if you guys are kind of in this space where you want to launch a product or just get more into a business mindset, then I would definitely recommend following the owner and CEO of Main Choice. Again, her name is Courtney Andale, and I love tuning into her lives because they're always so super beneficial to what I'm trying to do in my personal walk and journey. Off task a little bit there, but that Tropica Moringa, the sealing cream, really good product to have on your shelf. It's a great product to reach for, and the Main Choice is just an OG. So if you know, you know, friend. If you know, you know. I want to ask you guys a question, and comment below. Do you often use creams in your hair regimen? I know a lot of people use mousses, foams, gels, souffles, all types of other stuff that you can put in your hair. So do you find yourself reaching for creams often? And if you do, let me know. I just want to make sure that I'm keeping up in today's world as well, but I'm definitely somebody who reaches for my creams. If you do want to see the deep conditioner video, I will link it right here, so go ahead and click on it so you can watch my favorite deep conditioners that I would personally recommend to you. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you also love natural hair. My name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.